Hey, good morning everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams. And today, this child right here, Chloe Zephany, is becoming a Catholic, or as they say in the Philippines, a Catholic. We're here to do the seminar, and then we're going to do the formal baptism. It's a nice church. We're down in Zamboanguita to get this done. And it's a church, so I'm gonna pull this off right now. See you later. Alright, so we just did about a 1 hour seminar on the sacrament of baptism. And if wala kakabalu Bisaya, you didn't understand a thing, because it was all in mother tongue, it was all in Bisaya. And you can see this is San Isidro down in Zamboanguita. It's very nice. It's huge. It's huge. Catholics don't play around when it comes to cathedral size. They do not play around. It's very nice. It's nice and cool in here. Probably because the ceiling's so high. Hot air rises and they got more vents up there. So this is it. We're gonna get it done, hopefully. Wish us luck. What do you think, Chloe? You ready? You ready? She just woke up. She slept through the whole seminar. I couldn't believe how bastos she was. Walang hiya. Not paying attention during seminar.
Water.
Too big. Uh-oh. She might not make it to the baptism. Chloe. Chloe. Second favorite daughter. This is for posterity. Posterity. You ready? Yeah. Camera. So you can look at this years from now. Or if you're naughty, we'll show your friends. Oh, and there's your hat. You gotta wear a hat.
Wow, so pretty. You look so pretty with your hat.
You look like you're going fishing.
Look so pretty. Look at your face. Smile a little bit.
Smile a little bit. Ready?
Smile.
Chloe.
There you go. Just,
Smile.
you said a little bit, so she smiled a little bit. What? Look, what's that? You see the birds?
See the boys?
Boys?
So you okay? Yeah. You did this before, and you cried.
Yeah. She cried when the priest poured water on her.
No, Chloe's adventurous. She's adventurous. She's a steeg. She's tough.
Looks grumpy.
A steeg kaayo siya.
Yeah, look, the paintings. Like the paintings?
I like those paintings over there. It's one thing about Chloe. She's a year old and she always tells you where she wants to go. She just points and goes, eh. Right? Angry face.
I'm grumpy, I just woke up.
Okay.
Ooh, candle.
You don't get a candle, you're too young. You'll burn the place down. Alright, we'll be back. See what Zoe's doing during the service. Really? Yeah.
Chloe Zephany.
Chloe? Chloe, ako nagulok mo sa mga samahan. Yung sulat o sa Espiritu Santo. Vamos.
Hey, congratulations! High five!
Hi, baby.
High five! Yay! Flying kiss!
Flying kiss, flying kiss. kiss.
Flight kiss?
Thank you, Papa.
Mwah. Good girl. All right, you're officially a Catholic. Look at this. Look at this guy. He's got a suit with a bow tie. Hi. No, you don't take a camera. Hello. Are you mad? She's always mad.
I'm always mad.
Woke me up way too early. Alright, now it's official, I guess.